Oh, it's a nice day today. 7 p.m. I'm going to head to the SkyTrain. The Shioya station. Nice day today, very comfortable. Should explore this neighborhood more actually. Maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna get a haircut. I think they're still open. I want to eat first though. Kind of a perfect weather. People said this area is a bad area, Shioya. But I don't think so. Look, Surrey is bad. There's weird people at Tim Hortons all the time. In Guildford, okay? Weird looking people. Here, look. Nothing bad here. It's a nice little area. That's where I buy the potatoes right there. The big 50 logo. Big lights coming out. Restaurant too. That's why I buy this is why I buy the potatoes right here, okay? Potatoes. So that's where I buy the potatoes, okay? This train station here. Oh, what the hell? Look at this. I'm so tired. I'm trying to get a haircut today. I'm wearing my infamous outfit. Very comfy t-shirt, comfy shorts. This kid's wearing shorts. Train stations typically look like I'm dying, man.